And I'll go through exactly what I just said. You TikTokers waiting on YouTube here to go live for the YOLO Hour on Friday. And we are, let's go. YouTube, are we live yet? Are we live? We are live. Congratulations. You have reached YOLO Hour. This is stocktrade.tips. That's what we're sponsored by. We have TikTok live. We're also going live on YouTube, so it's going to be a great day. We have, if we're checking the markets at the very beginning, we have all markets grinding up. Dow at 500, Nasdaq up 121, and S&P up 55. So we have grinding markets. We will see some good, decent rockets today, typically on Friday, and really the only besides the risk, right? We don't do our due diligence. We don't do research. We just spot rockets, right? What you see on the screen here, I use Robinhood to spot the rockets because of their, when you see the ticker, you can also see a small little chart, so I can spot rockets faster. And guys know this. And then I do the trades on Webull, right? And understand, I paper trade because watch trade sell rules have probably screwed me. So with that being said, we're going to get started here really quickly, guys. Glad you are joining the channel now. Let's pump it up a little bit. And we are moving. I'm going to start at the top here. I did do some, so the only reason I use Robinhood right now is for option calls. That's it. And if you wanted to know, I'm long crude, I'm long financials. I'm moving into more value stocks, but I am still playing, I am still playing the Reddit stocks. By the way, we had a great day yesterday. We had AEZS, which is up about 20. We had PED up about 4, and we had XXI, which I believe XXII, which is up about 10%. So with that being said, here we go. Let's start moving down. We've got a lot of grinders here. BROS up 7% and grinding hard still. We'll see if that holds up or not. Next up is we are looking at GCI. This looks like it could turn into a rocket. AES looks like it could turn into a rocket. It's now directionally bullish. It was negative this morning, but now has gone positive. Tegna, TNGNA. Looks like it might be turning over, so if you're a bull in that, you might want to take profits. Walker, what's up? PED, are we already getting it started with the PED? Hey, PED was one of my picks yesterday, and yes, it goes. Let's go. PED, we are on PED, Pedevco. We'll take 10 shares. I picked that was one of my calls yesterday. I don't know if y'all knew that, but Pedevco was one of my calls yesterday. PED, AEZS, and XXII. So nice, good start to the day. Thank you very much, Walker. Good to have you here, brother. We are moving a lot of grinders today as the macro or the micro is following the macro for sure. A lot of grinders, so we could have any number of these turn up, but good call on the PED. Thank you very much. I had not looked at PED since this morning, so I knew that it was up like 4%. What is PED up? It is up 31%. Hell of a call for me yesterday, 31%. Although I jumped out early this morning, so I think I got 10% is all. But anyway, grinding up. We got some serious grinders. IDT grinding up, now positive. PLXS, some of our favorite. The ooohhh 23. What options would you trade for Monday? Hey man, we're on TikTok Live as well. I just told them I'm in financial options and crude option. Crude future options is what I'd trade. I'm trading those the January. If you want to get wild, do the April, because that's probably a better trade. But it's going to cost you more, right? The VIX is up today. It is above 20, is 21, but it's come down. So if you can get that on Monday under 20 at 19 and then go long crude, I would long crude, I'd long financials, right? There is an ETF, by the way, that it's called EQRR, Equities for Rising Rates, and that's an ETF that I would absolutely long, and half of that is crude. Look at UPC, guys. Let's go. We had UPC yesterday as well. Let's see what we got on. Why is it going over there? UPC. Let's go. Let's see what we got. I need to be on the 2-minute here. I need to pull it back in. Big green candle. We may have a red one coming down here. I'm going 10, going by. Let's go. Podevco is up 10 cents because I took 10, so I got some slippage, but I'm back in positive territory now. So UPC is one. Walker PED at 160. See if it flies. Hey man, I'm with you. I'm going to hold that thing a long time because PED was up. You know, it was we called it on Wednesday too, right? But it went up like 5%, and then we called it yesterday. Now it's up 30%. So good call. Look at CERT. We're going CERT now, guys. CERT. Let's see if it can run. Why is it coming over there? I don't need that one. CERT. Let's go, Cetera. Buy. I'm going to take 10 here, but this one looks like it could really take off because we just got in on it. Let's see what it's up. It's up. It's at 3% now. It's cleared the tower. It is clearly, it's got the volume. It's got 1.2 million shares a day that are traded. So we will hold on to that one as well. Walker, the OYOLO 23. I love that name, bro. That's cool. SPSC. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, it might turn into a rock, dude. I hadn't even got down like 30 stocks here, and I'm already seeing like 4 or 5 that could really take off. Looking at as we move down the cap scale here, that's what I call it. As we go lower down, it's smaller stocks, except for the ARK funds, but ARKs aren't going to pump. CRMT did pump and now is directionally bearish. Has turned over, selling off. Again, we need to watch the sell-off. The last 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday both, we sold off. So look at CME grinding. CEI is down hard today, boys. We definitely missed a bullet there because we were long CE on Wednesday, CEI. But yesterday I just couldn't stay with it. I took my 7% and got out. So look at Fubo just went positive. Looks like it could turn into a rocket. Same with CNC. We're looking at that one as well. We'll follow CNC. We've seen before that will absolutely move. What was that one? Nope. I am seeing some turnover, guys. PRFX. We know it has pivoted. It is directionally sideways now. It may retrace or retrace. We'll see what it does. Look at the top, man. There's some serious stocks at the top that want to run. These are my oldies but goodies. SPSC, man. Again, let's move through here. So if we can find some morning wood, find that green, nice big green candle. I'm looking. Still moving here. RLYB going ballistic. It is going parabolic. RYLB. Let's jump on that one. Why is it RYLB? Nope. RLYB. My bad. RLYB. We're on that one. Rally Bio. We know it well. We know that it can take off. We'll go 50 there and go big. I am down $1.70. I need some big. What's going on with PED? PED is giving me sideways on the 2 minute. On the 3 now, I'm jumping off PED. I don't know. It's got a green candle. It's fighting, bro. The one that I'm getting killed on is UPC. I'm jumping out of UPC for sure. That hurt me by 70 cents. If you got, all right, we have the excellent connection back on the YouTube, the YT, and we're going through these now. Let's start to move here. I didn't jump out of PED. I'm going to wait for the one more candle. I'm going to wait for that second 2 minute candle. SLQT. What's up? Let's get in there. We've seen this one go. SLQT. SLQT. Let's move. Select quote is what it is. We're going to go. Oh, it's got a nice little riser here. I'm going to go 50 here as well. Let's see what we got. Podevco. I've got a green candle on the 2 minute, and I've got a green candle on the 3 minute that's moving higher. So I'm going to hang in with the Rally Bio. Just screwed me on the. Wow, I got screwed on the slippage. Damn it. All right, moving. Let's go. I got to make up 10 now. Here we go. Moving through here fairly quickly. I haven't got to the bottom yet. I'm still seeing some risers fairly quickly. GANX it doesn't have the volume. I'm not going to jump in. Gain Therapeutics does not have the volume. We've got some serious BRN, DNN, looking strong. Could seriously go rockets there. We could, if this were like a Wednesday, we'd be taking those down now. What else we got? Yeah, we can always re-enter PED, which we've done that before. Not PED specifically, but we've re-entered stocks before, as they decide what they want to do. Fubo looks like it wants to run hard. What was that one? RLYB, which we're in. I got screwed on that damn thing. Damn it. Down $10 off of one. That's why you've got to do risk management, position sizing. That was a bad position size on one that had not really taken off yet, and I probably need to go fix that. Look at PECO. PECO could turn it into one for sure. Dunkin'. Sorry, that's Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. CIDM grinding, got a lot of grinders. I mean, just like the macro, this is what the micro is doing. It is grinding up hard, and we are following. We got XL has just gone positive. Candy has just gone positive. Any of these could turn quickly up. HRT's X looks like it had turned up, and now it's directionally sideways. UAVS is turning over and selling off. Just so you know, you want to understand those. What do we got here? Works has got to clear the tower first. It's not there yet. Works is one we want to watch for sure. Moving down, body looks like it's gaining some momentum and some volume as we move down quicker. JNPR grinding up 2%, but it's been grinding all day. Just a hard grind. APH grinding. Now I'm seeing some red stocks as I get down towards the lower caps. Yeah, it's a very mixed day. QQJ is up for sure. Anyway, ARCs are all up. That's good to know for my long-term stability. BCYC grinding, guys, that could turn into a rocket quick. It's up 7%, and it is deciding what it's going to do here. That could really take off. We need to watch. PDFS grinded hard today from the opening bell, up 3.6% is all, but it's just been a steep climb. Here we go. FLL, big green candle. Let's go. FLL, Full House Resorts. Ooh, interesting. What's it got? It's got the volume. FLL. I'm on FLL. Plus, I need to do a little bit of. All right, I am down. Rally is rallying back here. I need the damn thing to rally. On the 2-minute, the FLL looks like it's got another start of a green candle. We'll check that one. On the 3-minute too, that's very good news. I need rally to continue with the green candles. Podevco looks like it. All right, I just got filled on the FLL at 11:41. So understand that's kind of where I'm in at. All right. So, James Hill's here. What's up, James? How you doing, brother? Glad to have you here. Glad you joined the party. Got about 5 to 6 positions right now, but we have some serious grinders that could turn into rockets at any time. So there's going to be a lot out there. CERT, we're already in. CERT, it looks like it's pointed. It's not... wouldn't say it's parabolic, but it's close. It's a hard grind vertical. Looking through here now, I'm seeing, oh man, again, we missed out on the CRMT, but it turned back. It did the pullback or the pivot and the pullback. SLQT, we're in that one. It's grinding hard though. I don't know if that's really going to turn into a rocket. Not sure what's up. Yep. What's up, y'all? Making money? Hey, Jared, we're always making money, especially when you're here, brother. Good to see you. All right, Fubu, guys. It's seriously, this thing wants to run. I am telling you, that thing is going to run in a minute, and I can't jump in yet until I actually see it. But we're in CERT. We are in. Here is the positions right now. We are in RLYB. That's one that looks like it is. Just had a red candle on the 2-minute. Damn it. SLQT doing well for us, and CERT, Cetera, is doing well. It's got a red candle now on the 2 minute that just started, but it's moving up though. Rally Bio is the one that we've got to keep an eye on just because I took a big position. I'm down 3, but I'm down 6 at Rally. I may sell here. Let me sell Rally. I'm going to sell 40 of Rally and get back to some serious risk management and position sizing. All right, moving through here now. APP, guys, looks like it could run too. Man, there's a lot. What's the overall? So we are looking at everything grinding up. All the indices are grinding up. So that's exactly what we're seeing in the micro here, and we're moving. So understand. Now, the last two, look at OSC. Oh, no, this one's run before. This is Oscar Health. It's got a lot of insiders that are buying Oscar Health. So, again, another one we got to keep our eye on. So we move through here pretty quickly now. If you guys spot anything that could, here's Montauk. It wanted to run. It has done the pivot and the pullback. It's now retracing a little bit. We'll see how far that goes down. I wish, you know what I wish? I wish Robin had the Fibonacci extension so we could see where the pullback would actually go. CERT is still grinding up. You'd love to see it because we are in that position hard. Looking down, I'm very. This is a good day because everybody's made money in the market. We got a little money to spend for that pizza and beer money. Just so you know, this is all for fun. This is not financial advice in any way, shape, or form. You guys all know that, but I got to put that disclaimer out there because the haters. All right, we got UPC back again. UPC wants to run again. We were in UPC. We have oh no, it just turned back. You know what? I'm not getting in UPC. That's 2 head fakes. I went for the first one. I almost went for the second one. All right, moving quickly. What we got? Is this a scam? Core Glass, is this a scam? What YOLO Hour is no scam. We just don't do any due diligence. We don't do any research. We just jump on the FOMO stocks that are running, the rockets that are running. We jump on them. And we just get what we can get. That's all it is. It is not financial advice. So there you go. If that's a scam, I don't think it's ENG, guys. ENG. Oh, did the pivot in the pullback? Pivot in the pullback. What do we want to do here? What kind of volume we got? We've got plenty of volume here. ENG is one. Boy, that's a close. That's got a ENG. I'm going to take a small position. 10 shares. 10 shares. Looks like our Rally Bio is treating me well. Pdevco is going the wrong way. I'm going to jump out of Pdevco, guys. I don't like Pdevco. Well, it's rallying now. We'll see what happens. Got it. CERT is my best one. That was my second one that I found. Hey, look at that. Look at that chart. Unbelievable. FLRR still. It's not a morning wood, but it's damn straight. Look at Select Bio. You'd love to see it. Now that's more of a grinder though. Let's get back to finding the rockets. Need to move here. Need to move. I'm glad we took ENG because there it goes. When it's got volume like that, guys, a million 2 shares that trade, the FOMO is going to take over, right? I'm not saying all the time, but clearly it's cleared the tower. It's grinded all day long. People want all they can get. Today is the day everybody's made money. SLQT is still grinding too. Tops. Let's get the tops. What do we got on tops? Talk to me. Tops is that is a grinder. Plus it's got to clear the tower, which is going to be 161. It's sitting at 160 now, but it's got to it needs momentum up. It needs a big green candle. And that's not going to be a big green candle pointing up. We're looking for that morning wood green candle that's going parabolic. That's what we look for. If you're new here, it's got to clear one. The first thing it's got to do is be positive. Number 2, it's got to clear the tower. Why is that? Because we've done this enough to where we know when it's going to pull back. It's going to pull back at the intraday high. That's what we call clearing the tower. IMV has cleared the tower. It has done a pivot. And bulls and bears are fighting which way that's going to go. IMV has got decent volume with IMV. The reason, if you're new here, the reason I use Robinhood is because I can spot rockets faster than any other platform at this point as I just browse really just, it's just the, I just mouse down, if you would. All right, DMS doesn't have the LVXT here. No, what do we got here? The volume sucks. It just cleared the tower. It hadn't even cleared the tower yet. Nope. I can't do. I just can't. I gotta have volume, especially today. I need to be a little bit more picky, if you would, on these guys. We got to get to the bottom here. I'm sure there's rockets we are missing. So if somebody's seeing something else, what's up, Teal? Good to see you, brother. FSX. I'll look at it for you. I don't have FSX. Are you sure that's it? FSX. It is. Is that a penny stock? It's not going to be. A lot of those aren't on Robinhood. I can see on Webull. FSX. FSX. There's a lot of them. Sensor Pharma, Fosterville Scout. Yeah, no. I'm going to roll on here, though. Looking for IPG grinding hard, guys. NSIT grinding hard. ENDP grinding hard, up 7%, in fact. ENG, is it falling? Tell me it's good. We are all green. Cetera is doing great things for me. I'm up $5. ENG up 2. Good. 4 nice green candles going parabolic. Love to see it. Good call on the ENG. PEDs coming back. Walker, you got to be kidding me. Rally, I'm out of, you know what? I've made some money in Rally, and we're getting the F out because I get a bad fill on that sucker. Everything else is green, though, which I love to see. Let me see what ENG is doing. And Cetera, those are my 2 big winners. I'm going to let those bad boys run. We just got a big winner in Select Quote as well. It's got momentum behind it. My big one is Select Quote. I've got 50 shares in it. It's moving. So we're up 7. All right, let's keep it going. The energy today is good. Good green rockets today. What did I just see? ENG 14. So if we can get to about 18%, I'll jump out of that one. Maybe even 20% because it's going so well. But if you spot a red candle, let me know because it was all green candles on that one. And I want to keep that going. Google, the aircraft carrier is up 3% and grinded all day long. Unbelievable. One of the mega caps. Nice. That is good for everybody. 401k trader, whatever. View is up 8.9% almost. HRTX, we missed the rocket there, but it went directionally sideways and now it's turning over, it looks like. Looking at what else we got? Come on. JNPR, we talked about it. It's not turning up. These lower ones are great. APH was a good stock on Monday. It took off for us. I'm not Sophie, SOFI. SoFi is grinding up 3. Look at STEM, though. It wants to go. I'm going to jump in STEM, guys, because that is the look of a nice, and STEM has done very well for us for every time that we've gotten in it, although it just did a red candle on the 2-minute. What's the 3-minute looking like? Let's see if the Bulls can win there. We have 4. I'm up 6. Where am I losing? FL. Looks like it's going directly sideways now. With ENG still, boy, CERT is the killer. Got a bad fill on STEM. I'm in at 2464. Just so you guys know. All right, let's move. PED. Are you kidding me? Am I really going to go back to PED again? Damn it! I've got to. Look at that thing. That is the definition of morning wood. Boom. Going to 10. Let's go. All right, I'm jumping back in, which is like, is this PED? We've gotten in what three times. I called it on Wednesday, got in there. Thursday, got in there, and did not. Called it on Wednesday and Thursday. Yeah, and so yeah, 4 Fridays. So we've been in. All right, I'm looking good. Is there anything breaking down on me? All right, CERT. I'm going to take profits, guys. I'm going to take profits because I want to stay in the green or the black, if you would, today. I'm sure that thing will probably move up. Looks like EENG is kind of turning. I'm going to take some profits there, and I'm good with that. And as Select Quote, Still moving up. It's at 3. So I've got 50 shares. I really need to move out of that one. All right. Let me hunt a little bit more here. Anything else, guys? Walker, you got something? Jared, I know you got some up your sleeve. Core Glass. Is it glass? Yeah, Core Glass. What's up, brother? We got to move through here fairly. Now, the ones at the top have, guys, I'm seeing some turnover. We are seeing some directionally bearish turnover selling off, which we've seen before. DNN looks strong. That may turn up hard, bros. Let's look. Oh, man, that went from 3 down to 3 up in 2 hours. So, Denison Mines, I'm guessing that is a uranium mine. Looking at this, let me go back to my portfolio really quick. Make sure I am still moving. I'm only up 5. I really need. What is Select Quote doing? It's still. Wow. Don't want to sell off. What are we seeing? We're still seeing the markets grind. We are seeing a slight red candle at the top of the macro markets. So understand, as soon as we see that, things will start selling. Look at ENVB. I got beat up at that stock so many times, it's pathetic. US to WS did a 2-to-1 split. Nice. Did not know that. Thank you for the G2, Atil. Awesome. US, I was in USWS because there was an insider, but it was literally it was sometime last month. And when I mean last month, I don't mean September, right? I believe that was August. It might have been. Look at Oscar. I told you wanted to run. Ooh. Directly sideways, though. Directly sideways. I'm not going to jump into that one. Don't need it today. There's plenty that are going to take off. And we are 26 minutes into the session as we continue to move through here. FLW. Somebody watch. I got to get in on it. Nope. What? Hell of a grind, though. The thing was negative today. Up 6 now. Hell of a grind. It's been a hell of a day. It's been a hell of a week. But you know what? Let me drop some knowledge as I go through here. Best month for stocks, April. We saw that. Second best month. Are you ready for this? You're in it. It's October and November. Worst month, September. Are we in Sigma Labs? I don't think we are. Let me see what's going on with my... All right, I got SLQT. I got to take profits and get out. I'm done. Thank you very much for your service, sir. We salute you. PED, I'm up 19 cents. I'm up 60 cents. FLL is falling down. It is directionally selling off. I'm out of that one. STEM got a good fill on that one. It looks like a grinder. It is not. It does not look on the candle chart is like it is parabolic. My screen is blurred. This one, is the Webull blurred? This one here. Let me know. It doesn't look blurred to me at all. So check yours as well, Walker, just to make sure, bro. Jerry goes, look, man, I'm looking, bro. I love it. Moving down here pretty quickly now. God, we've got a lot of grinders, which you just you know what? I think this is probably the most grinders that we've had in 2 weeks. There's no doubt. I say there's grinders a lot. Look at KLRT now. It went parabolic. It's got to clear the tower here, and it got turned back 9 times. You guys heard me say this. 9 times out of 10, it will get turned back. But we are in the second best month now. We are in October, so everything's blurred. Is that what? I don't know why. I've got excellent connection. I've got this is what YouTube Studio is telling me. I don't see anything. I'm looking at the screen now. You're right. It does look a little blurry. Is it? I wonder why it's not so sharp. So hopefully it'll fix itself because I don't want to end the stream and then restart. So yeah, it does look a little blurry. Let me go to Webull really quick. Breaking down, boys. I'm breaking down. Podevco is going directionally south, so I'm jumping at I'm gonna walk you through it on the microphone. That one doesn't look as blurry. I don't know why it's blurry, bro. Mercy, what's up, brother? I've got a blurry screen. I don't know why. That's a YouTube thing. It can't be my. I'm looking on TikTok, and TikTok is not blurry, but TikTok could be taking some of the bandwidth. But I've got legit bandwidth here. Walker, I jumped off PED. All right, I'll just walk you through what I'm seeing, guys. Clearly, that's what I do regardless. EBSB grinding up 5% still. Goog, we've already talked about Google, and the aircraft carrier is just getting larger. Guys, if I had to give you one like mega stock that I like as the most bullish play in the like in the next 5 years, it's Google. They know more about you than Facebook, just so you know. ZDV. What the hell? ZDV. I don't have that, bro. ZDVSV. Yeah, I don't have that, and Webull's not going to have it too. It looks like that must be a penny stock. Mercy, is that what you're seeing, or did you spell it wrong, or are you just throwing up on the keyboard? Looking through here now as we move. What was that one? We've got STEM. It did the pullback. Well, it's done the pivot. It may pull back there though. Let me get. Man, I've hit I've hit the bottom one time, guys. One time. So we got what 400 something stocks. One time. SGLB just turned directionally. All right. What is STEM doing to me here? All right, I'm clearing that one. I'm not going to take that. It is got too many red candles, and we are up $4. I need to find more rockets now, though. So here we go. Move it. PED 2 trades 2K. Dude, good job, Walker. If you hit 2K today, that's like the best. If you actually made 2K right in YOLO Hour, that is our record. 2K. Now, if you took my calls right from yesterday and you had PED this morning, different story, right? But if that's all YOLO profits, congratulations, because you are now in first place. I forget who. I think Joseph had 450. Now you've quadrupled that, 4x'd it. Went from 9 to 18. Nice, brother. Mercy, you're talking about ZDVSV though, right? But Walker just had 2K in PED. Nice. That's how we make money. You went big too. Look at Tasha. Tasha may want to run here. That's our biotech in Dallas. Just so y'all know, the dude. I think that dude's my neighbor, like 4 doors down. All right, moving through here pretty quickly now. Mercy looks like he's having a good day. Walker's having a good day. Jared Flynn's just looking about like me. I've had a $5 day, so that's a cocktail. Could be a low grade 12 pack, right? Like that natural light. If you guys ever had the natural light before, oh look at ATEK. Ooh, brother, did the pivot and the pullback. Did the head fake. I got a lot of head fakes going on right now. What are we doing here? Let's go. We are in a little bit of a sell-off, guys. Now, it could get worse like it did. We are 33 minutes into the session. Watch the sell-offs. If your stock is falling, you may want to get out. Is your 25K your entire portfolio? No. I have multiple accounts. I just use this on raw. I don't even need 25K in there, right? I just do options on Robinhood. That's it. It's all I use Robinhood for. Robinhood sucks, right? I also use Robinhood because, as you can see on the screen, it looks like it's blurry today, but I can spot the rockets quicker on my little watch list. So I use it, and then I trade on Webull. Now I paper trade on Webull because of the wash trade rules. Because a lot of these stocks I'll trade 3-4 times a month, right? And so I'm not getting to write off the losses. So I've got to pay paper trade, which really sucks. So I've got Thinkorswim. I've got this in Robinhood. I've got the 401k. Thinkorswim's a big. Well, that's TD. Yeah. So most of it's in Thinkorswim. I've got TradingView hooked up as well. We tried this with trading view, it didn't work so well. I just couldn't find rockets fast enough as I can find them in Robinhood. So the one thing that Robinhood's got is the interface, right? Mercy, the best hour is here. Good going, Walker. Hey, Walker, congratulations, man. Congratulations, bro. I cannot believe you pulled off 2K in literally 35 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. That is why we're here. Now, again, this is not financial advice. All we do is chase rockets. We don't do any due diligence. We are only price conscious. That is it, right? And we will continue to be that way because that's just the way it goes. Guys, I am seeing sell-offs. I'm seeing the beginning of sell-offs. No problem, brother. No problem. Hey, man, I'm an open book. This is as transparent gets is when you are in YOLO Hour. All we do is chase rockets. That's it. We don't do the research. We don't do the Fibonacci extensions. We don't do the TA. This is the one time that we don't do it is YOLO. This is like Vegas coming to you. So that's the way we rock it. Some days we have some shitty days, and some days we have some badass days. All right, FRD. I don't know if it's got the volume. It's got 14K of volume. Not even sure it's why it's on my list. We are not going to FRD. Look at Alpine though. Oh, it's cleared the tower. Can it move up? And it's a biotech, so you know it'll push. Alpine. What else we got? PED YOLO. That's right, baby. Congratulations. 2K. That's 4x bigger than Joseph. And that's about, what is that for me? That's about 15x bigger than my best day. So CERT looks like it's gone back on the war path, if you know what I mean. But it's grinding. It's not parabolic. We're looking for the parabolic YOLOs that have volume, right? Again, guys, I'm seeing the lips, that lip of a sell-off, and that's what we got to watch for. That's what the macro is doing. CVGI. Oh, I think that we may have gotten out at the right time. Let me go through really quickly and get back down to where we were. As I'm just seeing a lot of these turnover just barely, but looking just like the macro looks. REE may run. It's got to clear the tower. If you're new here, this is what I mean by clear the tower. It's got to get past the intraday high. It did that. It was going directionally bullish. It was not parabolic, but it does a pivot and a pullback, right? So that is what we look at. Again, I wish we had fib extensions. CERT looks like it's might not have wanted to jump out of that one. It's not parabolic, but it's a hell of a grind up. Steep hill there. Looking now. We're at stocktrade.tips on Telegram. I do some picks at night, or I do some calls at night. I do more on TikTok, and then I just get you ready for the trading day and throughout the day. But I'm not going to give you, just so we're clear, I don't give you 10 freaking stocks, right? I give you 2, 3 a night. Today we had AEZS went up 30, PED went up 30, XXII went up. I think it went, did it go 5 or 10 today? Whatever. LBRT. Let's jump. Liberty Oilfield. Didn't we have this? Boy, that's a grind, bro. And that looks like it may turn too. What kind of volume's there? You know what? I don't have anything else going on, so let's go with the LBRT. I'm gonna jump on that really quick, and that's Liberty Oilfield for you guys playing at home. We're gonna get into again right now the long term for the next, or I say long term, the next 3 months. I think the best trades right now are crude and financials going into value stocks. All right, we're looking at Zemerging, great grind up 9%. It's got the volume, but it's not, I don't see a turn here. And biotechs are very volatile, and if it wants to turn, it will turn sharply as the macro is doing. What is the macro? I've got to keep a close eye. Yes, we are definitely, all right, guys. If we see what we saw yesterday, it was a massive sell-off. And we saw the same thing again. We saw the same thing on Wednesday as well. So we may be seeing that, because here's the deal. Here's what I say it all the time, guys. The reason we have sell-offs is because these stocks go, you get 6, 7, 8, 9%. You want to put some money in your pocket. Who wants to take the overnight risk? Very few people. True traders really don't take a lot of overnight risk. Look at Dene. Boom. We're on it. DNAY. DNAY is parabolic. Let's see if we can jump it. I don't want to lose money. I'm going to do not so risky trade. I got a good fill on Liberty at 1281. It looks like, let me look at Liberty is, let's see, this next candle is going to be a telltale sign of that. I'm waiting for my fill of DNAY. We'll come back to it because I think I saw another one. I've got to move quickly here. You guys, so LBRT, we are still in. Walker's looking. Oh, whoa. Did I miss one? XTNT went parabolic and then it went back. It's barely even positive now. What was that one? ENG, we're glad we're out of that one. It's directionally sideways. Whoa. ADMV, did we miss it though? Head fake. Got the pivot, the pullback, and now it looks like it may be even drawn down. So let's see what yeah, guys, I see a lot turning over right now. If you're on YOLO and you've got positions that you need to be looking at those positions, they are pulling back. Dene looks like it's still going strong. We will stay with it. But if you have positions, protect those profits, especially today, because this could turn into a big sell-off, as we've seen the last 2 days. Don't get caught in that again. That is, I doubt that it's going to all of a sudden rocket back up. So understand, if it's turning down, it's probably headed down. Again, not financial advice, but that's what I would be doing, right? I have cleared all my positions for the day. Collectively, I was probably up 11% tops, right? But I had two go. One went 20 plus and one went 30. What did AEZ go? It's now back down to 1. That's still up 5, and PED went to 54. PED killing it, guys. I'm going to tell you that catalyst for PED was an insider trade. That's all it was. That's all, and you guys know that's all that I do. ISR, you already in it? ISR. Let me look what we got. ISO Ray. Ooh, I got a pivot, brother. Does it have? I can't tell the volume coming in though. It looks like. That is a hell of a. Let me go back to it. ISR. I'm stumped on that one there. Why I'm not? It's like it gapped up. There's no candle. You know what? I'll take 10 and just see what it does. I'll jump in there with you. It's been a damn good day, and well, not damn good, but it's been, I'm up, so that's a good day. Just took another 5. So what, you're up 2,500 in PED? Damn, brother, nice, very very nice. I'm glad you got yours. Guys, look at SENS. It's gone positive, and we are in SENS, and we all know SENS can run because it literally runs once a week. We're in. It looks like it's got a red candle though on the 2-minute. Let me look on the 3-minute. It's going to have the red candle as well. So it's got, but it looks like the bulls are winning that one. We are positive on SENS, LBRT, and Dene is up $1.20 for me with just 10 shares with just about a minute of trading. So very nice to see. I have still yet to hit the damn bottom of my stocks to watch list, but let's go. Mercy, nice call. We're positive. CVGI, guys. CVGI, I'm in. CVGI. It's not parabolic, but it looks like it wants to run. And I just missed the damn CVGI. Typing with one finger. I like it. It's been a grinder, and it's not directionally turning over. I got Dene. Looks like it might be turning over. I'm down. I don't want to lose. What's going on with Dene here? Come on. The 1 minute sucks. There's not enough volume. I'm out of Dene, guys. I just F it. Done with it. I need to make money today. I'm down. I think I'm up for the week $4, right? Because yesterday I was down 20 because of a bad position sizing. So, by the way, was it? Let me look real quick on the. Is it still looking blurry to you? I can't tell on what. Well, it does look blurry to me a little bit more too. So, all right, we are 45 minutes into the session, guys. We're still moving through here. We have some big sell-offs. Here's I told you Fubo wanted to run, and come on, what's going on with it? So it's grinding. It was negative all day, and here we go. And that's a Kathy Wood special. AES is completely sold off, guys. By the way. Look at your portfolios. Do not. You've got to manage the P&L, guys. You've got to manage, especially today. You get. Okay, this is a good one, but it's got all kinds of supply. It's got to get this. It's got to clear the tower here, bro. Walker, that's or James, thanks, buddy. But let's wait on that one though. Got to wait on that one. Walker, do you trade for? Walker, you're being asked a question on the chat. So, by the way, I can't get super chat. So all you guys that are here, hit the like button. I've got to get more people here to monetize the channel so we can go into a super chat. So just so you know, I've got 6,000-7,000 subs, but can't get a super chat up. It's a bunch of bullshit. All right, so moving through here, ENG is going sideways, like we said before, still going sideways. It's not losing ground though, so it's holding profits. FNKO, Funko, what didn't that do something a couple days ago for us? View is grinding hard and has not turned down yet. Walker says he's an old guy, he's retired, but he trades daily, and he loves the YOLO Hour. He loves hitting the Vegas. He loves the casino. He loves coming up aces, rolling the snake eyes. What's up? FHTX grinding up. That could turn into a rocket quick. ARC is still grinding up. It is not turning over, which is nice to see. We are at the bottom. RDUS, we had that call about 2 weeks ago. It's nice, up 7% today. All right, we're going back up. I do see some sell-off. I don't see as like a completely turn. Now Blades turned over. Let me look real quick. Yeah, we got a little bit of we got 3 small candles, which is that the 3 soldiers when it does that? I think it's got to be larger candles. So let's see what else we've got. SRG directly turning over. I'll go back through here, guys. STEM is going sideways now. CLNE could be a watch. Walker, oh, you trade oil. Hey, Walker, so give me some options on the oil futures. I'm January 22nd. I got 3 contracts, but I'm doing USL and USO though. So James, don't tell me that. Are we jumping back in ENG? I think we are. ENG is on the move again. We'll jump back in ENG, and this is exactly why I don't have a watch trade, or this is why I got a paper trade. All right, I got to jump out of some stuff, guys. I'm losing ground here, and I want to be positive. CVGI, come on, close it. I'm out of CVGI. ENG is positive for me. Everything else is basically zeroed out. So everything else is pushing right now. All right, ENG. Let's keep an eye on ENG. Did PED just take a nice little dump? CERT is still grinding up. We could have stayed in that one. I know some of you guys think that I jump out of positions way too early, but this is YOLO. I'm trying to find the rockets, the ones that'll get us to 1 to 2 to 3, 4%. Clearly, PED was a bad move on my part, and that will happen. I'd rather be safe and make a little money though. Again, I'm up $4 now for the week, right? I need a good day today, at least a positive day, right? What was that one? NMG. NMG. I'm on NMG. NMG. That sounds like it is a foreign stock. Don't know what that is. Do not know what that is. Liberty has directionally sideways. I don't think it's going to take off though. Where's Liberty? I'm going to jump out of that one. I don't see that doing much for me anymore. SEN Sensonics. It's bad. Very bad. It's a very bad candle look. So we got 3 red candles there. The last candle being really bad. So I am down. I'm up 361, or that's $3.61, not 306.61. Just so you know, PED. I got in. Oh, you got hurt. Mercy got in and got hurt. So, I'm telling you, you got to watch the P&Ls, guys. In YOLO, especially when the macro is selling off. Look at they're literally selling off. Now, it's not as bad as it was yesterday for sure, because we only have 10 minutes left, but it is selling off. And so we need to start thinking about what stocks we are going to keep moving into the weekend risk. Now, the thing about the weekend risk is there's more risk than there's weekday risk, right? Because you got 2 days. We never know what Congress is going to do. It looks like Biden just got to the Capitol to try to whip votes for who knows what is 3.5 trillion, which is not going through as it stands right now. The 1.5 might, or the 1.2. All right, which would be fine. And that's probably why stocks may be selling off, because NMG, man, you got to love it. Look at that grind. Let me go back through here just really quick, guys. Moving through here quickly now. I am seeing sell-off, so watch yourself. I stick with CL on oil contracts. CL working December 21st currently. I hold 0 over the weekend. Yep. That's what I do. Yeah, because I don't want to I don't like holding stocks over the weekend for the same reason. I don't like to see bad news and know that come pre-market Monday, I'm going to be down 15% and be fighting that stock all day long, right? That's just not something that I want to do. Plus, I've got 2 other businesses, so it's not I can't trade full time. Sweet crude, so not WTI. Are you doing WTI or are you doing Brent? I think Brent is a little bit sweet. I think Brent is sweet crude, right? As you answer that question, there's not a lot of people that trust Biden, especially with taxes going up. And if I'm being honest with you, it's going to affect traders. So if you trade stocks, it will affect you. So if the 3.5 trillion goes through, not that I've got faith in Cocaine Mitch, because I don't. I have faith in nobody up there, but he is the firewall right now. I hope I'm not opposed to the 1.2 trillion. I don't want the 3.5 going through. I just don't think that's a good bill. Plus, all the raising of taxes is a bunch of bullshit. It's not a tax problem. It's a spending problem. I think we can all agree on that, right? What else? Speaking of that, Walker, I'll tell you this. You know that I'm a crypto guy, right? So look at SI, Silvergate Capital. That is banking. I told you guys, banking and crude, right? When you see a move to value stocks, banking and energy, that's the stocks you want to be in. I'm telling you, if you want a good ETF for that, EQRR, equities for rising rates. There's an ETF for it, and half of it is financials and energy stocks, and that's got some other cyclicals and things of that too. So, all right, CERT is still moving. Let me check my P&L real quick. I have ENG not treating me right, brah. What's going on here? Not really. Let me protect. Well, I'm actually down, so I'm just getting out to hold the P&L up good. All right, let's get back to the stocks. Damn it. Been a BT since 2014. That's very good. I learned about BTC in 2012, bought my first one shortly thereafter, but it wasn't a lot. I should have bought a lot more, right? but I started trading BTC in 2015 though. On Circle, back then Circle was an actual exchange, and you can actually trade it. All right, RLYB going back in. I'm going back in, guys. RLYB Rally Bio, this thing sunk me yesterday too. This thing may be a big head fake. NMG is treating me right. Still got a green candle on the 2 minute, on the 3 minute, sorry. On the 2 minute, I've got 3 green candles. Nice to see. Let me look at the macro. We've got a nice green candle on the indices on all of them. So we should see, we've got 5 minutes till the closing bell, guys. You need to start looking at KLDO. KLDO, we're moving. Biosciences, it got turned back. That's a grinder though. James, that might be one you want to watch for weekend risk. I don't know if I want to do that though. What's the volume? The volume is seemingly low, 129K. It could be more today. I don't know. Walker, are you telling me you have over 300 Bitcoin? You may be the richest man on this channel, and it's not even close. So 300 Bitcoin, Jesus, man, that is unbelievable. Never tell people that. That's that's like asking has your wife stepped out on you? You have Walker, Lord of mercy, you are a freaking whale, bro. If that's the case, what is 300? I know you're above. What is that? Let me do some quick math here. Let's just call it 50, 500, 5. So you're at 15 mil. Is that what that is? Or is it? Yeah, it's 15 mil, right? So a true ape in the house for sure. Nice. That's why you trade out. Crypto has bought all my kids' homes. That's awesome, man. Good for you. I was in that same boat. I just didn't pounce on it like you did. Apple. Look at the grind. Apple's now positive. We're going into 4 minutes left. KLDO is at a 52-week high. All right, so James, so the rule of all-time highs is all-time highs beget all-time highs. So that KLDO is probably a good stock. I'm not going to tell you that I would do it, but that's probably not the worst idea to keep that overnight. Or sorry, over the weekend. Again, all-time highs beget all-time highs, right? And especially biotechs, right? But biotechs rarely rally, but when they pump hard. So look at CVGI grinding as well. So understand that it's at day high. Oh, it's a day high, not 52 week. Okay, yeah, at the day high, but if it's even if it's in 5% of its all-time high or 52-week high, all-time highs beget all-time highs. Just letting you know that, right? And a lot of these stocks are within 5%. A lot of them are. Walker, my youngest daughter told me to buy BTC all her. Really? That's unbelievable, dude. Hey, well, you know what? If you want to tip me, that would be nice. So, all right, what else we got? We've got, I'm still looking at ENG. Looks like it's doing some things. Let me look at my P&L real quick. I'm up $3. I'm jumping out of ISR. ISR is falling off the freaking cliff. We'll close that position out. NMG. Walker, you and I need to talk, because I am my biggest passion is crypto. I trade stocks. I would say for a living, more for fun. We've got 2 businesses, but yeah, dude, love the crypto bros. So Walker, so where are you located? You in Texas or I remember you might be the one in Montana though. All right, guys, I may jump out of rally here. NMG is pulling back up. I'm jumping out of, didn't I close ISR? I thought I did. We've got 1 minute. I'm going to jump out of rally bio because I don't really trust it for the weekend. And NMG, just don't know what the hell it is. So I'm going to jump out of it as well. I'm going to close out that position and be done with it. And I thought I'd sold ISR. Clearly that is not the case. Let me close that. Either way, it might take me short. Yeah, there's a tip jar. It's on the, it's in the comments. If I get a super chat, that'd be nice. Vancouver, Canada, nice. In the summer, very, very nice, man. Never been to Vancouver. Never really been to Canada except one. Went to Wichita Falls and we kind of crossed over, but that was it. All right, guys, we are 1 minute till close. The macro is falling off. It is selling off. We just went to aftermarket. Boom. We are in aftermarket now. So look, guys, I have to be somewhere at 3:30 my time. So if you have questions, let's go. Start asking the questions now because I've got to move. It looks like ADV. Check this out, guys. They ended the day like that. ADVM. That is so clearly it's got the volume and clearly it's still moving. And I'm going to jump on that. ADVM. And I did not type that right. ADVM. And I'll take 50 of that because that is straight up parabolic. Did it just crash? It just, whoa, that mofo just crashed. At the end of the day, it just crashed. What just happened? So I'm up $5, guys. ISO rate, I don't know. Yeah, it's short. Close that. All right, here we go. Any questions? Walker, what other cryptos are you buying? Walker is he's in the top 10 cryptos for sure. I bet he's buying Solano. I bet you want to be long AVAX, Cosmos. You should be long that's ATOM. Walker could probably tell you some more, but I'm in a ton, so we could have that discussion too. So Walker, if you don't want to talk about it, which I don't talk about a lot, but there are a lot of cryptos that I'm in, but I'm very concentrated in Bitcoin and in my biggest holdings probably Ethereum. And I hate what is going on with Ethereum because of the gas fees, right? That's the problem with Ethereum. And they're going to continue to have that problem until they solve it, right? What is going with ADVM? What the hell? iCoin is coming. So were you doing? Let me ask you this, guys. I'm sorry. Let me give some shout outs here real quick. Walker, thank you very, very much, of course. Oh yeah, 23. Thank you very much. James Hill, it's always a pleasure. Jared Flynn, you are the man. Always a pleasure. Joseph, thank you very much. Core Glass, on here for the first time. Get you a picture on that profile, brother. Nice. Thank you for being on here. Atil, it's always a pleasure. My man Mercy found me a good one today. Thank you was it today or yesterday? Whatever it was. Thanks, Mercy, for being here. Clarinetist, thank you for being here as well. Walker, you're awesome today. What else we got going on? Who else is on here that I haven't seen? James, I've already said hello. Peace out, everyone. Made $40 today. Better than me, James. Good job. Walker, really quick before I run, were you in on the ICO boom in 2017? We got in on that, made some money on some ICOs, and now they're all shit coins now. Just letting you know. All right, we're on TikTok here. Hey, that is the end of YOLO Hour. I appreciate all you guys that are on TikTok that are following. I can't tell. We are in. Clearly, I've got more on here than 217. CEI is down today. I think CEI does bounce back next week. If you want me to answer that one. What else? We got some people joining. As I literally must be the only guy going live at literally 3 o'clock Central Time, right? So people are jumping on Wish. Wish, the Fibonacci on Wish is actually pretty good. I'm not gonna say it's great. FAMI, we called FAMI two days ago. We were really good on that one. That's a true penny stock, though. I wouldn't trust it. Just letting you know. Yes, one eye of the first high. Oh, nice. Oh, really? You were behind high. That's awesome. Yeah, dude. DM me. We can have some discussions. That's very, very cool. So you're clearly more entrenched in crypto than I was. There's about 3 guys that I run with that are very into crypto, and when I mean very into it, I mean like life changing type of crypto that they have. And we talk. In fact, I've got one friend that was hacked, and he can't move he's got 6 million Doge. I had not that many, but I had a lot that I bought for like 250, like back in like 2016 ish, maybe even 2015. It was right after it came out, and just, it was an asymmetrical trade, so it was like, why not, right? So, all right, CEI. I like CEI. Did not like it today. I did not call it last night. I called it the day before, and it goes up 20. So, yes. ACDM is still running. Love to see it because I have a position. It's a paper trade, but still have a position there. What else is going on? I think CEI is good for next week. I'm not saying it's going to be great on Monday, but I think it's still a good meme stock, good Reddit stock to have. Yes. So appreciate you guys jumping on here on the TikTok. I've got to run. We do YOLO Hour every day, same time, same place. That's 3 p.m. Eastern, right, and 2 p.m. Central. So understand we do it every day. I'm on YouTube at basically at Wall Street Sizing Up, but we're sponsored by StockTrade.tip. So with that being said, guys, appreciate you guys. I will see you here Monday. Thanks, guys. There's that one. I'm off of the TikTok, guys. All right, as far as YouTube goes, guys, appreciate you guys. Walker, I hacked for 50 BT. Oh, you got? Are you serious? Yeah, I had was it the Mount Gox? I had a buddy who lost. I want to say, dude, he probably lost at least that in Mount Gox, right? Mount Gox was that was bad for him. But dude, he's got about 10 wallets. He's behind a company that I'm behind too, Shardus. Mount Gox was, I want to say 2014, might have been 2015, but that was bad for him. Yeah, he lost a lot. A friend got hacked. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, look, man, I've got to run. Walker, we could talk all day. Believe me. In fact, I met a guy for breakfast this morning. All we did, he's a big BSV guy. He believes in Craig Wright. He believes in that whole conspiracy, but he can back it up though. So, all right, Clarinetist, thank you very much. Teal, thank you very much. Walker, thank you very much. Of course, James Hill, always. Mercy, always. Love you, brother. Who else has been on here? Jared, awesome. James, thank you very much. Oh yay, 23. We'll see you guys. We'll see you next. Teal, thank you. We will see you same time, same place on Monday. YOLO Hour it is. Watch your 6, go hard in the paint, and have a